Ever dreamt of turning your idea into a money-making machine? But let's be real, most startups crash and burn. Why? Because we build massive ships and then launch them into the ocean without even knowing if anyone wants a ride. Treat your business like an experiment, not a gambling. Imagine you're baking a cake. Would you make 100 weird flavors first, or test one? Exactly. Start small. Build a cupcake version of your idea. Call it a minimum viable product. Show it to real humans. If they gag, pivot. Tweak the recipe. If they lick the plate, boom, you're onto something. This ain't about blind hustle. It's about hustling smart. Think of every failure as a cheat code. Learn, adapt, repeat. Perfection isn't your friend. Action is. Build quickly, measure the results, and learn what works. That's how you outsmart failure. Don't avoid it. Anyone can dream, but the real progress happens when you test those dreams in the real world. You know, Bourbon initially allowed users to check in, share plans, and post photos. However, they realized the potential of the photo sharing feature and decided to focus solely on it, leading to the creation of Instagram. The faster you flop, the quicker you fly. Grab a paper and pen, scribble your idea, and text it to your friends. Not someday. Today! Because you don't have to wait for the perfect moment. The only thing standing between you and progress is hesitation. So, take the first step. Your future self will thank you. And if you love my video, like, comment, and subscribe.